Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to click on install Recuva on your Windows operating system. Recuva helps you restore deleted files from your PC, recycle bin USBs, memory cards, or any external devices. Alright, let's get started. Double click Microsoft Edge, type Recuva download, click on it. Do not click on anyone that says add. We're going to use this one. The same company that developed CC Cleaner developed Recuva. So use this, click on it. Let's click OK here. There's a free and a professional version. Click download for the free version. We're going to wait for it to download. Alright, it's done. We could run it from here. However, close this out. Go to files. Click on downloads. Double click RC setup 153. Click yes for permissions. Let's close this out. And click install. And run it. Let's close this out. And click next. And this is what it looks when you started initially to restore your files. Alright. So it created a desktop icon for us, and it wanted to pin it here to the taskbar. We'll right click and click pin to taskbar. Alright, that's all for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.